In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DSers with TikTok Shop. If you're looking to streamline your dropshipping process and reach millions of potential customers on TikTok, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get started. Firstly, open your preferred web browser. Once it's up and running, type DSers into the search bar and hit Enter. This will take you to the DSers website where you can manage all your dropshipping needs. Next, you'll want to log into your DSers account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but assuming you do, go ahead and enter your credentials to log in. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the platform selection page. Here, you have several options, but for today's purpose, you're going to focus on TikTok. Depending on your region, you might see either TikTok or TikTok US. Click on the most relevant button to proceed. Upon clicking, a pop-up window should appear. In this pop-up, you'll see an option to Install. Click that, and you will be redirected to the TikTok login page. This step is crucial because you will be linking your DSers account with your TikTok shop to manage everything seamlessly. When you reach the TikTok login page, enter your TikTok account credentials. Double-check your username and password to ensure you've entered everything correctly, then click to log in. Once logged in, the next step is to complete some required information that TikTok will ask for. This often includes permissions that DSers needs to operate fully with your TikTok shop. When prompted, click Authorize. This will allow DSers to integrate perfectly with your TikTok shop and enable the tools you need for your business. With these initial steps out of the way, you can now explore products within the DSers platform. Look for products from linked suppliers like AliExpress, and when you find those that interest you, import them to your DSers import list. Once in your import list, you'll have the flexibility to edit product details, which is a fantastic tool for customizing your offerings. Adjust titles, descriptions, variants, and pricing so your listings stand out to TikTok shoppers. Finally, when a customer places an order on your TikTok shop, DSers will automatically sync it to your open orders list. This means you can track each order's progress with ease, ensuring everything is on track from purchase to delivery. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively manage your TikTok shop using DSers, opening your business up to a world of possibilities. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore different features and settings on DSers to enhance your dropshipping experience further. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!